Hello students, in my last tutorial I explained the task 1 and 2. Now I'll explain you in this part. I'll explain you task 3, 4, 5 and written material, written tasks. Now open the presentation pollution underscore 01. Yes, and save this as pollution underscore 02. Save this file, save as, and I'm going to save it under 02. I'm just going to save that file as 02 and save it. Okay, now I'm going to continue working on my pollution underscore 02. That's the file name. Now add new slide, slide 7, which enable you to enter the master title and bullet slide. So I'm going to add another slide, which is the 7th slide, and the information for this 7th slide is in my Google Classroom. Yes, 7th slide, that's course of light pollution. I'm just going to copy that copy that course pollution paste that and bring it down a bit, and then I'm going to get the bulleted list, street vehicles. I'm just going to copy that. As you're seeing, so we are doing a lot of copy paste and copy paste, but you have to be careful from now on because there are more things to do here. Okay, I did that. 7 into 7 I finished. Add a new slide 8, which enable you to enter the master title and a chart. The key in the master title, the world biggest killer. So I'm just going to copy and keep it, students. I don't want to keep coming back again and again. I have to add another slide, which is the 8th slide, and then type the heading as that, and you need to include you need to add the chart deaths. Where is that chart? It is in your Google Classroom. If you go into your Google Classroom week 5, you have that chart in there. I had to, okay. Now here we have the chart. That's the Excel. That's open the chart, and then download that file, please. Or if you want, you can open with Google Sheets. Again, spreadsheets. If you don't have Excel software, when we are doing the Excel unit, you can work on the Google Sheets, and it will open up the file. I had already opened up, so I'm just going, let me just check this. It will open in my Excel sheet, but Google Sheet is opening right here. That's my sheet. Okay, that comes up. All I have to do is I have to copy this. I have to copy that chart, and I have to paste it. Control V for the sharp keyboard. I pasted it. Now resize the chart. We've done it. Spell check your presentation and review your work to ensure I have done all the spell checks. Save your presentation. Number 5, from here onwards you have to be very careful what we are doing something different. Print a copy of the following slides as individual slide 6, 7 and 8. You have to print a copy, but you cannot print a copy of that. So what you will do is you will give me the print screenshot of it, snapshots of that. Open a new blank document on your Microsoft Word or Google Classroom anyway. Not this one, not the one. This blank page, new blank document. Now this heading is task 3.5. That's what we are working. Now what does it say is print a copy of the following slide as individual slide 6, 7, 8. So you have to go into your pollution underscore 02 that we are working on. File, print. What was the slide? I'm stressing out now. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Not you can just go into one slide. 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we will do it one by one. Okay, first let's do 6. 6. File print 6. Now it's coming up, don't worry about that. 6. Now what I want you to do is I want you to take the screenshot of this. Print SC on the keyboard, press that, print SC on the keyboard, and press this paste this underneath. You can paste it from there or Control V. Next, 7th, so slide number 7. Slide, you can just give a heading there. Slide 7. Slide 6, slide 7, you can give it. I'm just going to the end of it. Slide 7 now 7. Press enter. That will give me 7th slide. Print screen on the keyboard, and then go back to your document where you were doing your pasting work, and then paste. That will do the screenshot. Next part, slide 8. Press enter. That's slide. Oh, it's taking me to, because I'm pressing enter, it goes to slide 8. Never mind. File, print slide 8, PRTSC on the screen. Go back to your document where you were doing your screenshots. Press screenshot, paste it. Okay, that you are printing me 6, 7, and 8. Because students, you don't have a print, you cannot submit me your printouts. Show me as your screenshots. Okay, that do it in a separate document, screenshots. Oh, next, task 4. On slide 5, delete the entire final bullet point of acid rain. Task 5, I'm going to my task 5. Task 5, what acid rain, they want me to delete the acid rain activities. See, it happens when you're okay. And then deleted, ensure the bullet character also deleted. I deleted. Replace all instances of deforestation with cutting down trees. So wherever there is a word deforestation, that should be replaced with cutting down trees. You see this option of replace, you can click on replace. Type the word deforestation, replace with what? Cutting down trees. Type that and click on replace. I had already typed it, so it's coming up, but you got to type that. Find what deforestation, you need to type the word deforestation. Replace with, you need to type the word cutting down trees, and then you click on replace all. It will it has done 2 replacements, so you will have the replacements done in there, and then you can just close it. Okay, and move slide 7, title course slide pollution, so that it becomes a slide 6. So what you do is move slide 7 above this, so that it becomes a 6 and 7 slide. Next part, insert the image light pollution on the background for the slide 6 course slide pollution. Now for this light pollution, you need to put the image, get that image from your Google Classroom. On your Google Classroom you will find that image. Go back here, light pollution, right click, copy the image, and to that file paste it, and then you have to send it as a background. So what I do is I click on the format, click on the picture, click on the format, click on back, send to back, right? And then you just increase the size so that it occupies the whole background, students. You work on it, okay, please. And then next part is oh, did I miss a point? Yes, I missed a point. I will do that. Now B, insert the noise pollution as the background for slide 7, titled course of noise pollution. noise pollution. So again what I will do is I'll get the image for this noise pollution image. Noise pollution image, I right click, I copy image, and noise pollution, I'm just going to right click and paste it, get it as a format, send backward, send to back, and then I'm just going to increase the size. I'm a bit stressed out, students, because you know I've been just trying and trying every minute. Last time at the last minute I do half an hour of recording, at the last minute something goes wrong, I have to start all over again. I just want to finish this as soon as possible. So okay, now what the point I missed was this. After 3, the fourth point, print outline for the slides 3, 5 and 6 and 7. So for that you have to go to File, Print Slides 3, 5, 6, 7. Here in this option you will select outline. Now PRTSC on the keyboard, and let me get the task number of that, task 3.4. Now go back to your document where you were doing all your snapshots. Where was that? That was in document, isn't it? Yeah. Task 3.4. Now I'm just going to paste that so I can see the outline of it. Okay. Now then where was I? Okay. Now I did explain 4. Number 5, I explained how to put the light image on back side. I did explain already how to put the noise image on the back right. Save your presentation as pollution_3. Save your work again, this work, file, save as, I want you to save it as pollution_3, so you will be having 3. I'm just going to say that, save it. Okay, and once you're done, now let me read the again. Print slide 6, 7 as handouts, 2 to a page. Print 6 and 7. Yeah, file, print 6 and 6, 7. Here 2 slides per page. That's enough, and just print screen on your, and I just want to get the task number. What was the task number? Task 3.7. So I'm going to write here task 3.7 and then paste that. Right, that we have done. Was it 3.7 or 4.7? Sorry, 4.7. It was 4.7 and 4.4. Just be careful with the numbers that you are giving to me. I can make it as well, students, because I know clearly task. It is task 4.7. And this is task 4.4. This is task 4.4. Okay. Now going back to my things again, 2 to a page, that I've done. Task 5. Task 5. Continue working on a presentation pollution_3. Add the following text to slide 8 as speaker notes, or you can just copy this and paste it. Right click, copy as speaker notes. So I'm just going to go back home. 8, you have to put it as a speaker notes. Speaker notes, which I did. Print 8 slide with the speaker notes. Because you're not able to print out, I want you to do the print screenshot of it. File, print slide 8. No, what is this? It's a notes page. Once again, PRTSC on the screen, and this is a task. What's the task number? Task 5.2. So I'm going to go to the last part of it. Task 5.2, and then just press the print, or you can just paste it from the keyboard, or control V from there, or control V on the keyboard. Okay, that's the evidence. Because you're not able to send me the printout, you're doing a screenshots. Wherever it says print, you will send the screenshot of that in a separate document. Next part is, okay, print slide, which I did. Hide slide 8. What you need to do is you have to just go back, if you're on the print home, right click on slide 8 and hide it. Okay, and the set animation to now 3, set any animation to bullet slide 6, and the 4 transition. Okay, slide 6, I'm setting animation to that. And also they ask me, the next question is, students, set one transition on each slide. Set a transition for each slide, any transition you like. I'm just going to get that from there. Any transition that you like. Right, okay, I'm just getting the transition, whichever you want, you get it. Next question is, they're saying set the timing for the transition to 3 seconds. Say that duration, transition time on 3 seconds. You can manage here. 3 seconds is just 0.3 seconds. That's fine. Okay, 3 seconds, you just set that. If you want, you can give me the print screen of that as well to show me the evidence that you have set the screen. You can do your print screen there. Next, take a screenshot print to show the evidence that the transition and timings have been set on all the slides. Animation is set to slide 6 and slide 8 is hidden. To do that, what you do is you go into view, sorter, slide sorter. It will show me all your slides, and also wherever there is a star, that means you have done some animation and transition to this, and this is hidden. So again, take a print screen. I'm just going to get the task number. Task number is task 5.5. I'm going to type here task 5.5 and then paste it there. Okay, that's my evidence. Next is save the presentation in the format that will allow it to be viewed as an automatic slideshow using the file name pollution_slideshow. So when you go back to your normal view now, when you go into file and save as, from here you can select the option of slideshow here. Just leave it at that point and then print screen again. And I'm just going to get the task number for that is 5.6. That's a task 5.6, and then paste it. Okay, so I have the evidence here that you're setting it up as a slideshow. Okay, then print the screen, print and make sure you add your name in footer. Anyway, I have it. Close the file and application. So wherever there is a print option, students, you will make me another document where you will show all the screenshots of the way I've explained, all the printouts that suppose if you were in the classroom, you were printing it, but you were not able to print it, so you will give me the screenshots of that. Okay, coming to the last part, important part of the question is this written task. Task 6, written task. I want you to type the answer for this question underneath your screenshots. Task 6, written task. I will give you the answer for the first question, which is identify what type of information required for the presentation, which is actually given to you in your presentation in the assessment itself. If you go into the scenario, underneath the scenario there are a list of files. There are a list of files. You just have to copy those files, the copy and and then just paste it in your paste it here. That's your first answer. I already gave you the first answer. Now the second answer, the second question, third question, students, I want you to read the question, understand it. You can do some search on a Google, but don't exactly copy the words from there. Rewrite it in your own words. Identify what slide structures and themes to use. You have come across with some structures, layouts and everything, themes. So go through this each question. I want you to write me the answers for each question. Do some search on a Google, but don't write it in your, don't copy and paste from Google. Whatever the answer you find, rewrite it in your own words. Hopefully this video will go through. Alright, okay students, see you all in the classroom or a Zoom session. Bye. Oh, before this, sorry, you have to send me the files. You have to send me these files as an attachment. You will send me pollution underscore 01, pollution underscore 02, pollution underscore 03, and pollution underscore 03, and the snapshots that you have done, all the print screen. Please save this work and send me as an attachment. This is very, very important for me. This, all the snapshots you have produced and also the written task that you have done, send that to me. And also what I want is, I want the first 2 pages of the assessment. I want the main sheet here where it is your, it says your name and everything, and the feedback sheet, that where you give your learner name, learner signature and the learner comment. I want these 2 sheets. So altogether what you will be sending me is pollution underscore 01, pollution underscore 02, pollution underscore 03, and then all the snapshots you have done, and with the written task, and this the page where you have typed your name and learner feedback. Altogether 5 attachments I want it to me by 1st of November. Please send me as soon as possible. Bye, take care.